In this video, we're going to learn that how to create a customer in Sage 50 accounting. So we have three customers right now. The first is Carry 4, the second is Edsel Marketing with an opening balance of 100,000, and third one is 303 Construction LLC with an opening balance of 75,000. And in the last, we need to check the reports that how many customer we have in our company. So how to create the customer? You need to click on the Maintain tab. Click on the Maintain tab, and here we have this option, Customer and Prospects. You need to give a unique the customer ID, that is 100. Press enter, and here you need to give the name of your customer. I suppose that is a Carry 4. Then we have this option, that is Prospects. Prospect is not actually your customer, but when you make an invoice, that becomes a customer. So we're gonna check this scenario also. So we are checking this option. Then you can make this rather than deleting this customer, you can make this record as an inactive. Then we have different tabs here: the journal information, the journal tab, the contacts, history, where you need to enter the opening balances, that is the default sales info, and the payments and credit. We already set up the default information, so this will come automatically. So first we have this, the journal information, that bill to contact. You can give a unique account number, and that is the billing address, that is the customer billing address, the office number. You can mention the city, the country, and if there is a sales tax like VAT registration number, you can mention here. And that is the same, the customer type, it is wholesaler, retailer, like domestic customer or foreign customer, you can mention here. This is the telephone numbers, the fax, this is an email ID. If you want to send that reminder notices, then you have to enter this emails, and that is the website information of your customer. These are your customizable field, which you can add it in the default information, that what are the additional fields or information you want to enter related with this customer. Then we have this contacts, that is additional addresses or the contact information of this customer, that is Carry 4. Like you can mention the accounts manager, the branch manager, the purchase officer, the sales officer in that company Carry 4. And then we have this third tab, that is history. Here we have the sales and receipt table, and this information will fill automatically when we enter the sales and the receipts, that you can check date wise. And if you need to enter the opening balances, you need to click on this tab to enter the beginning balances. Then we have the fourth tab, that is sales info, where you need to enter the sales default information, that sales representative, that is your employee, the salesman, and that is a default sales account which we already enter in the default information. We don't have the open PO number. And what is the shipping method? That is, I'm gonna select, that is a customer pickup. We don't have the resale number. You can set up a price level for that. You can also set up this price level in the default information. Then we have that batch delivery method, that how you will send that emails or that invoices, either through paper form, which is like hard copy, or you want to send it to the email. If you're checking this option, email, you need to check that this email should be filled here. You must enter the email if you're selecting this option, email here. But right now we are going to select the paper form. Then we have payment in credits. That is a credit card information. If you're receiving money from your customer through the credit card, right? So that is a credit card holder name related with the carry forward, but we're not doing this credit card right now. Then we have this default terms and condition, which we enter in the default information of the customer, that net due date is 30, discount in 10 days, discount percentage is 2, the credit limited is 20,000, and the status is notify over the limit. And that is a receipt settings that use payment method cash from the last saved receipt. So you can check this option that we are doing a cash, that we are receiving a check, and in which bank account, so you can set up that. So this is how you will create a customer in Sage 50, and then click on this save.